Introducing the ultimate FPV drone powerhouse. Elevate your hobby shop at Brushlessgimbal.ca. Explore your DIY passion with cutting-edge technology. Are you ready to take your hobby RC FPV drone experience to the next level? Look no further. We proudly present a game-changing lineup of product at Brushlessgimbal.ca that will redefine the way you fly, offering unrivaled performance and innovation. Let's dive into the thrilling world of advanced technology. At Brushlessgimbal.ca, our focus is brushless motors. Our precision-engineered brushless motors are the heart and soul of your FPV drone. Experience the perfect blend of power and efficiency as you soar through the skies with unparalleled thrust and control. These motors are designed to deliver jaw-dropping acceleration and top speeds, ensuring your drone responds to your every command with lightning-fast precision. Design and build motors. Build brushless outrunner motors, halo shaft, non-halo, brushless servo motor actuators, gear reduction, BGC brushless gimbal motors. Capture stunningly smooth aerial footage with our state-of-the-art brushless gimbal control, BGC, motors. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or adrenaline-pumping action shots, our gimbal motors provide the stability you need for professional quality videos that will leave your audience in awe. At Brushlessgimbal.ca, we design and build BGC brushless gimbal frames. We design and build stabilization systems, cable cams, copter cams, for survey, search and rescue. Servo motors and actuators. When precision matters most, our servo motors and actuators step in. Experience unmatched accuracy as you fine-tune your drone's movements with surgical precision. From intricate maneuvers to maintaining steady flight, our servo technology ensures your every move is executed flawlessly. Robot brushless gear motors actuators. Take the leap into the world of robotics. CAN bus, serial, RS-485. Communication, with our high-torque brushless gear motors. These powerhouses are designed to drive your robotic creations with the strength and control they demand. Whether it's a complex automation project or a simple hobbyist creation, our gear motors will bring your robots to life. Brushless servo actuator motor 6:1, 9:1, 36:1, 100:1 gear ratios. For those seeking even more power and torque, our 6:1 gear ratio options will not disappoint. Unlock the potential of your drones and robots with enhanced thrust and control, making challenging tasks feel like a breeze. Conquer obstacles and elevate your capabilities with ease. Step into the future with Brushlessgimbal.ca. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced design, the H1 bipedal humanoid robot by Unitree is set to revolutionize the world of robotics. Crafted for excellence, this marvel of engineering brings unprecedented capabilities to your fingertips. New product coming soon. You can reserve yours today at Brushlessgimbal.ca. Seamless performance. The H1 boasts a powerful combination of precision-engineered components and state-of-the-art features. With a compact dimension of 1520 plus 285mm x 570mm x 220mm, it's designed to navigate dynamic environments with ease. Its thigh and shin length of 400mm x2, along with arm length of 338mm x2, provide a human-like range of motion. Dynamic movement. H1's exceptional degree of freedom, DOF, empowers each leg with 5 DOFs, enabling lifelike and graceful movements. Its robust knee torque of 360 Nm, hip joint torque of 220 Nm, and ankle torque of 45 Nm ensure unparalleled stability and agility. Intelligent power. Equipped with a 15Ah battery, 0.864 kWh, and a max voltage of 67.2 volts, the H1 can operate efficiently for extended periods. Its power-efficient design ensures longer mission durations, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of applications. Smart cognition. The H1 isn't just strong, it's also intelligent. With 3D lidar and depth camera sensor configurations, it can perceive and adapt to its surroundings. The inclusion of 2x Intel Core i7-1265U computers empowers it with exceptional control and recognition capabilities. Versatile applications. Whether it's navigating complex terrains, assisting in disaster scenarios, or augmenting industrial processes, the H1 is your versatile solution. Its walking speed range of 1.5 meters per second to 5 meters per second enables swift traversal, and the optional flexible fingers hands add an extra layer of adaptability, extra cost, precision at your fingertips. The H1's arm joints, with a torque of 75 Newton meters each, offer exceptional precision and control. Moreover, the expandable 4DOF's IMU per arm allow for adaptable tool integration, opening up endless possibilities for research and applications. Embrace the future with the H1 brushless geared actuator bipedal humanoid robot. Experience unmatched capabilities, seamless integration, and limitless potential. Revolutionize industries, redefine possibilities. The future starts here, with the H1. Go1 Motors. Go1 Quadruped Robot Personal ACCOMPANY and Life Care Robot. Introducing the Go1 sold by Brushlessgimbal.ca. Your ultimate quadruped robot companion for personal care and life assistance. Meet your new best friend. The Go1. A remarkable brushless geared actuator robot, brings a new dimension of companionship and support to your life. Designed with care, this quadruped robot dog is not just a robot, it's your loyal friend and assistant. Compact yet powerful. The Go1's compact folded size of 0.588 by 0.29 x 0.22 meters makes it the perfect companion for indoor and outdoor adventures. Weighing just 12 kg, it's lightweight and easy to carry, while boasting an impressive payload range of 3 kilograms to 6 kilograms. Cutting-edge technology. Equipped with 3 ultrasonic sensors and RTT1 transmission, the Go1 navigates with grace and precision. Its processing power is second to none, featuring a processor with 128 cores at 4*1.43 GHz, 16-core CPU plus GPU 384-core, 1.5 teraflops, or opt for NVIDIA 1 Nano Plus, 2 Nano or 2NX, for even more power. Go1 EDU only. Intelligent adaptability. The Go1 is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Choose between power adapters ranging from 24 volts, 4A to 24 volts, 6A, ensuring it's always ready to assist you. With speed options ranging from 0-2.5 milliseconds to 0-3.7 milliseconds, it adapts to your pace effortlessly. Unleash creativity. The Go1 isn't just a robot, it's a canvas for innovation. Harness its graphic processing API for over-the-air updates, OTA, featuring a CPU 4-core GPU, 256-core, 1.3 teraflops, or GPU 384-core, 1.5 teraflops. This means your Go1 is always up to date and ready for the latest experiences. Intelligent interaction. With HAL1 human recognition technology, the Go1 understands and responds to you in a truly natural way. Its advanced lidar 2D or 3D, Go1 EDU only, and foot force sensor, Go1 EDU only, provide an even deeper level of interaction and understanding. Explore and learn. The Go1 EDU version unlocks a world of possibilities. Dive into research programming with the Research Programming API, pushing the boundaries of what your Go1 can achieve. Discover a new era of companionship and assistance with the Go1 quadruped robot. Embrace its advanced capabilities, immerse yourself in its technology, and experience the joy of having a faithful robotic companion by your side. Elevate your life with the Go1. Brushlessgimbal.ca offers BLDC motors. Looking to revolutionize your energy solutions? Our high-efficiency brushless direct current, BLDC, motors are the answer. Ranging from 10W to a staggering 200 kilowatts, these motors offer a wide spectrum of power for various applications, ensuring you have the perfect match for your needs. Large BLC Brushless DC Motors. We carry the most cost-effective, light and powerful large brushless motors, custom RPM available. Outrunner brushless motors form 10 kW to 200 kW, and more heavy-duty applications up to 400kw, 800kw axial flux motors, radial flux motors, air-cooled, water-cooled. We also sell the inverters to supply the motor with enough power for your application. We also manufacture custom batteries for your EV projects. Give us a call today. Hydrogen fuel cells. Embrace the future of clean energy with our hydrogen fuel cells. From 1W to 100 kilowatts, our fuel cells provide an environmentally friendly power source for your drones and robots. Say goodbye to traditional energy constraints and hello to longer flight times and operational periods. 5000W battery generator. When it comes to uninterrupted power supply, our 5000W battery generator sets the gold standard. Whether you're in a remote location or require backup power, this generator ensures your devices stay operational, providing the energy you need, when you need it. Elevate your hobby to new heights with our innovative range of products. Embrace the power of advanced technology and experience flight and robotics like never before. Your journey to unparalleled excitement and precision starts here. Upgrade your gear today and witness the future of FPV drone and robotics technology. Brushlessgimbal.ca offers CNC services. Customer Pratt Manufacturing. We CNC manufacture parts from aluminum and carbon fiber according to drawings submitted by customer for DIY projects like flanges, clamps, drone frames, gimbal frames. Whatever you need to manufacture in small or large quantities.